Good morning, dear students. I have completed this chapter 7, weather, climate and adaptations of animals to climate. First we will read this chapter and try to learn some definitions and read all the activity 7.1, activity 7.2, and in this chapter I taught you introduction and then climate and weather and about weather you can see in the every newspaper. You can see this weather report every day in every newspaper. You can see the weather report. Maximum 32.6 degrees Celsius, moonset, moonrise, sunset, sunrise, and mainly clear sky, mist. As in the morning, maximum and minimum temperature will be around 33 degrees Celsius and 17 degrees Celsius. Maximum humidity on Tuesday 89% and minimum 28%. So this is the weather report. In every newspaper you can see maximum and minimum temperature for the past 24 hours, sunset, sunrise, moonset, moonrise, what is the timing of sunset, sunrise, moonset, moonrise, maximum and minimum humidity of past 24 hours, and general information on weather for the day, whether cloudy, sunny, rainy, foggy, etc. And then you have seen that in this definition what is the weather. The day-to-day condition of the atmosphere at a place with respect to temperature, humidity, rainfall, etc. is called the weather of that place. Then did you know this humidity is measure of moisture present in air. What is the humidity? Moisture present in air. What is the humidity? Moisture present in air. Then rainfall is measured by an instrument called rain gauge. Maximum and minimum thermometers are used to record maximum and minimum temperatures every day. And these oral questions you have to do with yourself. First we will read this chapter 7 from starting to till last page. Then you will do oral questions with yourself. Which layer of atmosphere gas does not allow ultraviolet rays to reach earth from the sun? The temperature, humidity, sunset, sunrise, etc. are studied under the heading climate. Whether choose the correct one. What is climate? What is the aim of using an instrument called rain gauge? What is the given picture showing? You will get answer from last page. And then I taught you about the climate. And what is the climate? Climate depends upon the 4 reasons: the presence or absence of water, amount of sunshine it gets, the ability to transfer water to the atmosphere, that is the evaporation. What is the evaporation process? The heat of the sun changes some water into water vapor. This process is called the evaporation. And the place, whether it is hilly or a plain region. Thus the climate in desert is hot while it is cold in the hilly areas. Now some places have hotter climate than others. Why? The places nearer the equator are usually hotter because sun's rays are more concentrated near the equator than they are further north or south. Then in this chapter you read about what are the adaptations and what is the migration. Adaptations, when animals adapt themselves according to that environment, then it is called the adaptations. And migration, when they will move from one place to another place in search of food, shelter, etc. And this is called the migration. And now the polar regions, extremely cold climates. How animals, those who are living in the extremely cold climates, which kind of adaptations means which kind of their body is and how they can survive there. So polar bear and penguins, some countries of the polar region: Canada, Greenland, Iceland, Norway, Sweden, Finland, Alaska in USA, and Siberia, Russia. And then you will get that adaptations in polar bear. What is the adaptations in polar bear? You can see in the diagram which kind of adaptations. It has wide and large paws which help it to walk easily on snow, and the body has two thick layers of fur, and fur is white so that animals cannot be easily seen in the snowy white background, and then it can close its nostril while swimming. It has a strong sense of smell. That this adaptation helps it to locate its prey for food from a distance, and then it has long curved and sharp claws on its paws, and this provide good grip and helps the animals to walk on ice. Then adaptations in penguin, just like the polar bear, penguin is also white, so the animals therefore merges well with the white background of snow, and it has a feathery coat as well as a layer of fat under the feathery coat, and the feet have webs, so which help them to swim. Penguins are good swimmers also, and the body is streamlined just like fish. This help in swimming. And other animals, those who are living in the polar region, that is the reindeer, foxes, seals, musk, oxen, whales, many types of fish and birds. And now tropical rainforest means now come to the oral questions. Oral question, first question is the what does mean the average pattern in which weather changes with time. Second, what type of climate usually have the places nearer the equator. Third, name two countries of the polar region. Which type of adaptations in polar bear helps it to walk easily in snow. For what purpose the webbed feet of penguins are helpful. And sixth one, where will you go to see the migratory birds which come in India in winter. Now come to the tropical rainforest. Tropical rainforest, hot and humid climate. What are the adaptations present? Those animals are living in the hot and humid climate. So we can see these regions are characterized. First, these regions are characterized by the plenty of rainfall, and during hot summer the temperatures may even be higher than the 40 degrees Celsius, and the length of the day and night are almost equal throughout the year. Did you know tropical rainforest cover 1/12 of our planet's surface but contain more than half of the earth's plants and animals. Then adaptations for living spaces, then adaptations for food, which kind of adaptations they have, and then what kind of adaptations does adaptations for protection from predators. Then what adaptation does an elephant possess. Elephant is a well known animal of tropical rainforest in India, and adaptations, it has a big trunk which is used for picking up food and as a nose, and its tusks are modified teeth which can tear the branches of trees on which an elephant feeds in a forest. Therefore, an elephant does not face the problem of getting large quantities of food. Then it can hear even very feeble sounds because of the large ears. Then adaptations present in the hot and humid climates. Animals living in hot and dry places usually have the following adaptations. Short shiny fur to reflect the sun's rays, keep the body cool through sweating and painting. To avoid the strong sun, they feed in the morning or evening and hide behind rocks and in burrows during the day. You can see in the diagram animals are there: camels, ostrich, snail. Now oral questions. Tropical rainforest is found in India in Western Ghats, Eastern Ghats, Southern Ghats, Northern Ghats. Choose the correct option. What special adaptation is found in the given animal? This animal, this is the red-eyed frog. What is the function of long beak of the bird toucan, and how is camouflage useful for the animals? What is the camouflage? When you will read this chapter, then you will know that what is camouflage. How does the special adaptation feature of this animal help it? So this is the oral question you have to do with yourself. And now come to the keywords. Weather, day-to-day conditions of the atmosphere at a given place. Climate, weather conditions considered over a long period of time. What is the climate? Weather conditions considered over a long period of time. Now polar regions, extremely cold regions situated near the poles, tropical regions, very hot regions located around the equator.